Hello friends, this is Manoj and you are watching my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss about the CORS problem, that is cross origin resource sharing. When we use a web API project and when we expose our APIs to use from other resources like React project, Angular project, and when we any application which is built in like Angular or React try to access the web API method, then we get this kind of error like cross origin resource means CORS is not allowing to get the data or post the data. So in today's video I will discuss about this and how to resolve it. Okay, so first of all let me show you. This is my web API project, right? I have a home controller and in this home controller I have two methods. One is get employees, it will get data from a table and return a JSON string, and another one is like add employee. This is my web API project, right? Now let me show you. I have another React project. Through this React project I am trying to get data from this get employee and post through this add employee method. So let me show you. First of all let me run this React project. So it will take some time. So it is starting, right? So this is my React project. So it is loading. Let me show you where the error is coming. So let me inspect it. Go to console. Okay. Let me run this web API project also. It is running, it will take some time. It is loading. Yes, it is loading. I will also show you the data hit from the Postman. Yes, the web API project is loaded now. Let me show you the get method from Postman also. So this is our URL, base URL, and home controller get employee is the method name. So if I click on send, so it will, yes, it is returning data, perfect. So it is working from Postman, right? But if I try to access it from, let me refresh this page, the React application. Now you can see access to fetch at this complete URL from origin. That is my React URL and that is my web API URL, right? It has been logged by CORS policy, no access control allow origin header is present to the requested resource. So at this time we get this kind of error, and how to resolve it, let me show you. We need to go to web API project. Now there are two ways to resolve it. First one is we have to go to our web API config, that is inside our apt start folder, that is on root location. So click on it. After that we have to include two namespaces for that. That is the first way. Let me stop it, otherwise it will not allow me to edit the code. So these are two namespaces which we need to include it. Now come to that register method. Here we need to add some code like config dot enable CORS, that is the method, and inside this method we have to declare another enable CORS attribute, and it will take some parameters like first one is the URL from which you will try to get it, or you will hit this web API controller. So in our case this is our base URL, so copy it and paste it here. That is our first parameter. Second parameter is headers. Headers like content type, right? Unicode type. So these are header types. So let me specify star here. It means it will allow all header values, right? Third one is methods. Methods are like get, post, delete. So star means it will allow all the methods from this particular URL, right? So that is the first way from our web API config.cs file. Let me show you another way, that is using web.config file. In the web.config file, we need to search that system.webserver tag. We have to write some line of codes which are so this is the code. Let me save it. After that, go to your Solution Explorer, right click on the project, first clean it. After that, again go to project and build it. It is built successfully. Now run it. It is loading. By the time, yes, it is loaded now. Now let me check it from Postman first, just to verify it is working. Yes, it is working here. Now go to browser where the React project is. Let me refresh the page. Let me remove the debugger. Yes, you can see we don't have any kind of CORS error. So you have seen, like by these two methods you can try either this one or this one. The CORS problem will get resolved. Okay. And let me tell you also something. If you want to go the complete article, so you can go to this connectedprogrammer.com, that is my website. And I have mentioned a complete article on this issue, like how we can resolve it. So here it is, access control allow origin, click on it. And you will see the complete content with the images here. See, that is the first way, as I shown you, by using these namespaces and this single line in web API config file. Another one is custom address in web.config. That is the code which we need to place in our web.config file. So these two ways are there in this particular article. So you can go to this connectedprogrammer.com. All right. So that's it for the day. I hope you liked the video. If you did so, kindly like, share, comment. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel so that whenever I post this kind of videos, you will get the notification at the earliest. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.